Imagine taking a bite of your favorite seafood only to later learn you have also ingested hundreds of invisible plastic particles. Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatin Atikah Binti Azman with ID number 2021287316. And today I want to talk about a silent crisis unfolding in our blue heart, the ocean. We have all seen the image, turtle tangled in bags, whale starving with stomach full of plastic. But this is not just a problem for faraway creatures. It is a direct threat to our health, our food, and our future right here in Malaysia. My central idea is this: why plastic pollution is severely positioning our environment. Our collective small action, reduce use, recycling right, and choosing sustainable alternative are the powerful antidote we need. To move us from concern to action, I will walk us through a five-step plan. Let's start with a number that almost impossible to visual. 8 million tons. That is the weight of plastic bottles, bags, wrappers that flood into our global ocean every single year. That's equivalent to dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the sea every minute. And where does Malaysia stand in this? Shockingly, we are the fifth worst country in the world for dumping plastic waste into the ocean, with each person contributing about 2.29 kg annually. Scientists estimate that up to 370 million kilograms of plastic leak into our coastal waters every year. The impacts are not abstract. Look at our own Sungai Klang and Sungai Karayong, choked with plastic from urban runoff. This is not just litter. It's a toxic pipeline straight into our marine ecosystem and onto our dinner plate. Studies confirm our chocolates and shrimps, staple of our diet, are now contaminated with high level of microplastics. We are literally eating our own waste. Problem is urgent and it is here. But to solve it, we must first understand why it's happened. The need to act is critical, driven to two main issues: our own consumption pattern and a broad global system. First, our reliance in plastic is still growing. This chart shows Malaysia's projects plastic use 2019 to 2029. Despite awareness, the market volume is still forecast to grow by nearly 3.8% annually. Our convenience is fueling the crisis. Second, we have become a global dumping ground. As reported by the Malaysia Insight and the Stars, stricter waste rules in other countries have redirected thousands of tons of import plastic waste to our shore. This was overwhelmed our already strained waste management system, leading to our 76% of plastic waste being mismanaged, meaning it is not recycled or safely disposed of. It's abandoned, burned, or washed into our river. The good news, the solution exists, and it starts not with a massive government project, but with us. The little the title of my talk is How Small Action Can Save Our Planet, and I propose three actionable steps we can all take starting today. First, reduce plastic use at the sources. This is the most powerful step. Refuse a single use straw. Bring our own reusable bag and container. Choose product with less packaging. Every item you refuse is one less piece of potential pollution. Number two is recycle responsibly. Recycling is not a magic bin. It requires us to clean, separate, and ensure only suitable plastic go in. When we recycle right, we turn waste into resources and keep it out of our river and landfill. Number three, choose and demand sustainable alternative. Support business that offer biodegradable or plastic-free options. Choose a metal water bottle over disposal cups. Our purchasing power is a vote for the world we want. This action, when multiplied by millions of people, create a massive wave of change. They reduce the demand for new plastic is the burden on our waste system and clean our environment from the ground up. Now, let's visualize the future if we embrace this small action. Imagine our cities producing significantly less plastic waste. Pictures of rivers like the Klang running clean again, no longer serving as garbage charts. Envision marine life recovering with healthy fish and clear waters. Most importantly, see our children growing up with a culture of environmental responsibility, inheriting a cleaner, safer, and more beautiful Malaysia. This positive future is entirely within our reach if we act now. So, to conclude, plastic pollution is everyone's problem, but the power to solve it is in everyone's hand. We have seen the staggering scale of the crisis, felt the urgent need to change, learn the simple step of reduction, proper recycling, and sustainable choice, and visualize the healthier future that awaits. Now, I am not asking you to solve this alone overnight. I am asking you for your commitment to start. Here is my call to action for you today. This week, identify one single use plastic item you can eliminate. It is the plastic bag, the takeaway cup, or the straw, just once. Number two, educate one person. Share one shocking fact you heard today about our five place ranking or the microplastic in our shrimp with a friend or your family member. Number three, be a conscious consumer. On your next shopping trip, actively look for and choose one product with sustainable packaging. Change begins with a single step, a single choice, a single refusal. By weaving this small action into the fabric or our daily life, we become part of the solution. We protect our health, secure our food, and preserve our beautiful country for generations to come. The ocean's fate and ours is not yet written. Let's write a story of recovery together. Thank you.